such a good helper. Oh, all the way up top. All the way up top. Oh, perfect. Perfect. That goes in that drawer. Good job. Woo! Oh, you're getting stuck. Where's it gonna go? Oh, right there. Perfect. Good job. Good job. See, who says you can't sort things and put them in their right place? Only one more to go. Woo! We're working so hard, little tippy toes. That's perfect. Yeah, you can put it there. Oh no, we're not happy with that. Right there. Oh, good job. Is there one more left? One more left. Yay! Close the door. Oh, good job, Lily. Where are you going?